Well, the threat of the novel coronavirus is impacting all aspects of life, causing people and those who offer different services to make changes in the way they are carried out, if they are carried out at all. Cleopatra Murphy spoke with the local head of the Salvation Army to learn how the virus is impacting the operations there.
With several cases of the novel coronavirus now in the Bahamas and that number expected to rise with expanded testing, local charitable organizations like the Salvation Army are having to devise strategies to protect not only staff and volunteers, but also the clients they serve. Divisional Commander for the Salvation Army in the Bahamas and Turks and Caicos, Major Clarence Ingram, says the agency provides hurricane relief 2 days a week for 30 to 40 families impacted by Hurricane Dorian. It also serves hot meals to some 300 to 400 homeless people 4 days a week, and adjustments to how those operations are conducted have had to be made.
What we're doing for hurricane relief victims would be that we were limiting the number of people that are in a room at one particular time, sanitizing the room more frequently. We are still serving, of course, our street people, our homeless people. However, again, we will find ways to mitigate the risk so that they will not be exposed to as great a risk of contracting this disease.
With the elderly considered to be particularly susceptible to the virus, the agency head says programs for them and children have been impacted.
Given that the government has closed down the schools, we have also closed down our children's programs just to protect them. And as well with the seniors groups that would normally meet together in smaller rooms, we have decided that those will be suspended as well for the duration of this event.
A number of events that had been planned have been put on the back burner and possibly have to be postponed. The agency head also says the Salvation Army would follow government's lead on church services that the nation's leader has said should be discontinued amidst the COVID-19 threat. He also explained other changes to daily operations.
We would, of course, have sanitizers throughout our operation, and as well, we're encouraging our staff to make sure that we would practice good hygiene practices. Even at our thrift store, we're limiting the number of people that would come into the thrift store at one time so that the virus risks are reduced. And when we receive goods that would be donated, that we will hold them for a period of time before distributing them and sanitize before distributing so that there's less risk there as well.
Ingram says while the Salvation Army will be exercising caution during this period, it will still serve the public as best as it can. Cleopatra Murphy, SANNS Network News.